$1.20. Look at that. Ooh, the peacock. $6. Is it Swarovski?
No.
I don't see a mark. I think I might have to get that. I'm gonna get that, Michael. Ah, we have the same one. Oh, that's marked.
Hazel Atlas? No.
Okay, so we were looking through some jewelry and we found this pendant. It has a tiger in the middle. I love the ruby coming out of his mouth. And the only reason I got this because it's marked. I don't have my loop with me, so I can't read it. But anytime I see a mark like that and it's cheap, $5, I feel like I could at least double my money or more. So we're gonna get that. What is that?
Wedgwood.
Look at that, that's a little bit different. I wonder if that's older. How much would that be?
Be 10.
Ooh. I know, I would look that up.
Yeah.
That's something I would definitely look up. What is that again?
So chipped up.
Yeah. I mean, I guess that's okay if it's antique. Let's see what that says. Frank B. Norton, Worcester, Mass.
I looked it up. Prices are all different. On eBay.
Yes, this is finally half off for $2.50. I'm gonna get that.
Oh, I like that.
A little wax warmer. And it's almost summertime, so that'd be perfect. Probably get like 15 for that.
Did you see these?
Yeah.
Sheila's Wood.
Sheila's Wood, like people have them listed like 5 of them for $30. So we can't do that.
No.
Did you find anything? Alright, I'm gonna grab this and get a price on it. Because I'm not really finding anything. There's some Polish pottery. Oh, please be Polish. Yes, I'm gonna get that. I don't see any damage. Okay, we got 2 things. Huh, I'm glad I did a second look. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at the blue. Let me take a look. It has some roses on there. I think it's just a hobbyist. I thought it was gonna be like blue milk glass. Oh, I wonder how much they want for this. Look, the fingers are still intact. It says Italy on the back. I'm gonna ask for a price on that. It's vintage. I know the antique ones sell for a lot more, but I could probably get like $30, $40 for that. Especially if it's in good condition. What is that? Oh, it's a tablecloth of Irish linen. Ooh, I'm gonna get a price on that. Always look for Irish linen, especially this design. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I dig through a little bit and I found these Dansko clogs and they're Mary Jane's for $10. I know Dansko is a good brand and these look like they're in almost new condition, but they're used. I don't see any damage. No scuffs either. Oh, a little scuff on the top. I'll put those in and take a chance. Oh, there's a scuff right there. Oh well. I'll put those in. I'm just confused about that piece. I'm gonna put it back. Ooh. Another Bennington pottery. And that one's a green. I don't see any damage on that. I'm gonna get that for $2. Oh, is that a rinconada? It looks like it.
Is that the mark?
I can't tell.
It has to be.
I know, we'll get that for $5. Huh. Fun.
Sure it's not broken, 'cause
I
I've
know,
seen a lot
right?
of things down here that are broken.
Yeah.
Well, they write as is on them, which is nice.
Let's see if there's any more. I know the larger Rinconettas sell for a little bit more. All right, I'm not seeing anything else. It's a music box made in Taiwan. What about this Halloween bear?
Hey.
I know some of these could be made in, that one looks like it's German. How much are they? $95. Are they priced separate? I want that one and not that one. Yeah, these look like they're antique. Oh my gosh, look at the Santa. Ooh, I want that. Just that. The rest could stay. We have a Pottery for $5. I think I will get that. It's not, let me see if it's signed. No, it's not, but I'll do it for $5. All right, there's some Temptations. I want to get that snowball out. Ooh, there's 2. And then there's 2 small ones. I'm gonna get those. I've never seen the small ones like this before, and it has a sticker on it. I'm gonna do that. Made in Italy. Deviled egg dish. Oh, look at that. It's a sugar.
Yeah.
That's kind of neat. I'm trying to remember who made that. Is that a W?
Yeah, you have a lot of good stuff.
I don't know who made that. I kind of like it though. It's different. Definitely 1970s. I wanted to look at this wooden giraffe. Look at that. I like that. Ooh. It's definitely different. I don't see any damage. I'm gonna get that.